Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Klaviyo to Zapier, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. Locate the API keys section within the settings menu. Click on the Create API Key button. Copy the newly generated API key. Next, log into your Zapier account. In Zapier, click on Make a Zap to create a new automation. Choose Klaviyo as your trigger app. Select the specific trigger event you would like to use. After that, click on Continue. Zapier will prompt you to sign in to your Klaviyo account. Paste the API key you copied earlier into the required field. Click Yes, Continue to connect your Klaviyo account. Now, you'll need to test the connection. Zapier will attempt to fetch data from Klaviyo. If the test is successful, click Continue. Set up the action you want to take in response to the trigger. Choose the appropriate action app that works with Klaviyo. Select the specific action you want to occur. Map the necessary fields from your trigger to the action. Once you have configured the action, click Continue. Test the action to ensure everything is set up correctly. If successful, click Turn on Zap to activate your automation. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Klaviyo to Zapier. You can now automate processes between these two powerful platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.